Are you a tech professional with a programming background, eager to level up in AI? You may have the skills, but self-study can be overwhelming. Time is tight, and turning an idea into reality feels nearly impossible. If you've collected certifications but still lack the confidence to tackle AI projects or ace that interview, we get it. Introducing the 30-day Generative AI Micro SaaS Mentorship Program, a hands-on journey to bring your micro SaaS idea to life. This isn't just another course. It's a chance to build a real AI-powered project, perfect for professionals ready to go from concept to completion with real support along the way. We know you're short on time, and self-study isn't enough. In just 30 days, you'll follow a structured roadmap covering ideation, setup, development, and monetization. Each stage is guided by industry experts who know the challenges of balancing work with learning. You'll gain real experience creating a micro SaaS product from scratch, using generative AI, with help whenever you need it. Imagine completing this program with a project you can call your own, something you've built, understand deeply, and can showcase in your portfolio. This program provides more than skills. It builds confidence. You'll have the hands-on experience to tackle AI projects, impress in interviews, and proudly display a real product in your portfolio. For those looking to take it further, we'll cover how to monetize your micro SaaS. You'll learn proven strategies to build passive income from your project, and even the roadmap to scaling it into a full-fledged business. With one-to-one mentorship, you're never alone. Join a community of like-minded professionals, all building and learning together. Our mentorship ensures you stay focused, on track, and have expert help to clear any roadblocks. Ready to build your own AI-powered micro SaaS and elevate your career? Join us for the 30-day Generative AI Micro SaaS Mentorship Program. Gain confidence, expand your portfolio, and open doors to new opportunities. Spots are limited, so don't miss out. Secure your place today. Turn your AI ideas into reality. Start today.